Today's project is changing the belt on a Whirlpool dryer. Heard a big pop, snap kind of sound, and then I could hear the motor was still running, but I could also hear that the drum was not. I'm pretty sure it's the belt. To access the belt, you've got to take the top off. It starts with these two screws that hold the lid filter into the top. Be careful not to drop them down there. It's a real pain to retrieve them. The center of the clips that hold the top on are 2 inches from each corner. And I just use a putty knife right on the clip, push in and lift up at the same time. And the same thing on the other side. Before taking the front panel off, we need to disconnect the door switch. There's a little tab here. You can just get your thumb underneath it and wiggle it. It comes apart. On both sides, there's a 5/16 screw. Don't drop it. And one on the other side. This is a careful operation. Support the drum and you just pull back. And lift. Ouch. And while we've got this open, collect up all the change that's accumulated. Now's a good time to do a little cleaning. Now the drive belt has ribs on one side and flat on the other side. The spindle on the drive motor has grooves, so when you put the new belt on, the grooves on the belt have to line up to the grooves of the spindle on the motor. I looked online for the OEM replacement belt. The specifications on it are 92 1/4 by 1/4, and there's a generic most Whirlpool dryers at the big box store. So we checked the drive sprocket, the drive spindle, and the grooves have to go towards the drive spindle, which means the grooves are going towards the drum, goes underneath, loops back around the drive, and then the idler. Damn. It's twice now. There we go. Pull it up a little more and it finally folds all the way back. So underneath, this will be on the bottom. The belt will pull through the loop and go around the drive spindle. Okay, my idler pulley popped out again, and it just goes that slot and up. The belt goes around, pull it through the loop there, and then over the drive. Just a quick note for the future, if your dryer starts squeaking and squealing, you can replace this felt pad. They eventually wear through, but they're easy to replace. To put the face on, this cutout goes over this hook. Okay, so we gotta lift up the drum. One side, that's the other. So now we got to put these screws back in the front. 5/16. Try not to drop it. And the one on this side. And then we're going to reconnect the door switch. There's a triangle end on both sides of the plug so that you can get it the correct direction. And bring it back down. And the two clips you just pop. And then the two screws that hold the lint screen, the lint area, to the lid. Yep, it's turning. A broken dryer belt. It's a fairly easy DIY, maybe a 2, just because you've got to have 3 hands at once. Other than that, I'd say it's one of the easier ways to save yourself a lot of money and keep your appliances running. Till next time, I'm Steve from the YouTube channel Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. Hold it.